Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. We'll be unboxing the Vastar Universal Smartphone tripod mount. Okay, and let's take a look and see what comes in the box. Premium built, right? And this can work with all various phones, right? Whether it be an iPhone or a Samsung phone, right? And this is where you make the adjustments, all right? And I'm gonna demonstrate that on the tripod, and just to show you how that works, okay? So we're at the tripod now, and I'm just gonna show you how to install the mount onto the tripod. Screw. Okay, voila, it's back in place. Right. All right, there we go. So we're good to go. We're set up and we're ready to record. All right. Thank you for visiting this channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and share this video.